Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this video right now. Welcome to this channel, Happy Life. If this is the first time you came across this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friend. Turn on the notification bell in order to get notified when I upload new video like this. Today, I want to talk about salt, how to use salt for protection. Feeling safe and secure at home is important to our mental and physical well-being, and one way to help is to use protection salt. Salt has been used for protection for a very long time. Some white German churches use salt as the cross sign at the entrance of the church. It's usually for protection and it's believed to absorb negative energy. By combining it with protective herbs or essential oils, it can be used to ward off any energy you don't want coming into your home. This can be any type of energy, living people, spirits, or any energies. You need the only salt and choice of herb you like, such as a black pepper, rosemary, so you can combine them because each herbs come with its own energy. Once you have combined all the ingredients you want to use, you can set the intention while you stir them together and then place your hand over the salt and charge it with your intention. You can begin by calling in your spirit teams. Your spirit guides, ancestor, angel, or whatever you believe that work for you. Christian, we said, in Jesus' name. Muslims have their own way. Anything you believe on, just pray unto it. You can say this out loud or in your mind, but make it clear who you do not want coming into your home. If it is specific person that mean to do you harm, you can say their full name. If it is more general, here is my usual go-to statement. This exactly what I used to say. Please share and protect my home and all of the living beings within it, so that those who enter our home only come for our highest good and greatest benefit. That's exactly what I used to say. So then spread the salt in front of every doorway to your home. If you have a walkway leading up to your front door, you can spread the salt at different points along the walkway as well. If you have a large house, make sure you get any side doors, including the garage door. You can repeat your intention as you are laying down the salt as well. It's good to do this once in a month. To repeat it once in a month. You can also do this at your workplace by combining the same ingredients and put it inside a transparent glass and hang it at the doorstep. Some people are using a pendant that can be opened. You can prepare little and put it in the pendant and carry it, then change it once in a month. I think you understand this. If there's anything you don't understand on this video, don't hesitate to ask for the question. Definitely I will answer you. Thank you for watching this video. If this is the first time you came across these videos, again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share this video with your friends through Facebook, WhatsApp, or any kind of social media you are using.